Hello. What about how today is August the 19th? I get up about 5:30, 5:45 in the morning. What about how when I woke up this morning, the heat was on in my house? So usually the heat just automatically comes on if the temperature drops below outside. I think it's 50. It's August the 19th, and the heat was on this morning. Yesterday it was 93 degrees, I think, 94. Usually I don't think variances like that happen until September. So that blew my mind. But also, does anybody still want to fight about global warming or anything like that, with the ocean being hotter than it's ever been before in places, or since we've been recording, I guess? The poor animals are probably baking in that shit. Do you wonder what's going on down there? Everybody's wondering what's going on up there. They know what's going on up there. Nobody knows what's going on in the ocean. Just random thoughts. I'm delirious because I feel like shit today. And I really probably should be at home laying down, but I just, the weather was too perfect. It wasn't humid or anything this morning. When I left out the house, it was probably about 60 degrees. But it's one of those 60 degrees where it's going to be warm. And I didn't want to be inside the house, which maybe I'll be paying for it here in a little bit, but it is what it is. Right? Y'all have a perfect day, whatever that looks like for you.